Important pillar of Industry 4 is cloud computing. Cloud computing has been used in many other industries also for storage of data in cloud services. It is an equivalent of a data center in a company premises, but now this is stored in the central servers, which are globally available and accessible to all through the internet means. Cloud computing is a delivery of different services through internet, including data storages, servers and databases, networking and cloud and software. Cloud-based storage makes it possible to save files to a remote database and retrieve them on demand. In this presentation, we will try to understand what is cloud computing and also see what are the benefits of instead of having on your own servers and then storing it to cloud there. And we will also see how cloud computing is used in Industry 4 and what are its applications there. Cloud computing has become the ideal way to deliver enterprise applications like ERP and the preferred solution for companies extending their infrastructure or launching new innovation. It saves a lot of cost. You can start from the beginning only and don't have to really build your whole infrastructure. As you can see from the diagram here, this is a production unit, and the data which is getting created from various devices, IoTs and sensors, that is storing into the cloud here. And this cloud platform can be accessible through mobile devices, through the use of web applications, and there could be different software like database and different types of clouds are also available here. So what is cloud computing? Cloud computing is the on-demand availability. That means you can as you need, you can increase its services capacity. Is on-demand availability of computer system resources, especially data storages, cloud storage, computing power without direct active management by the users. So we don't really need the expert people sitting in every company. You just need to use the storage as you need. The term is generally used to describe data centers available to many users over the internet. Cloud computing is an application-based software infrastructure that stores data on remote servers, which can be accessed through the internet. Cloud computer services, service providers like AWS, Google Cloud, and Amazon Cloud usually maintain multiple copies of data to mitigate instances of security threat, data loss, data breach. So important part is to the availability part and also the security which is built into the cloud computing systems. How is it used in Industry 4 and what experts believe that no matter what industry you are in, cloud technology is a definitely critical enabler for the next industrial revolution by offering the means for business to innovate. And then because of this, businesses concentrate more on the professional work rather than worrying about how the data will be stored and secured and also accessible. The true potential of cloud in support of fourth industrial revolution can only be determined via the integration of computed services with a cloud platform. By tapping into the strength of compute services, cloud platforms support innovative and disruptive applications. Most of the I4 applications, they use data, and it's very important that data should be stored in a secure and most available form here. So cloud computing has really benefited the industry for organizations. Let's look at a video and try to understand how the cloud is affecting the Industry 4.
Cloud computing is the process of accessing computer, software, and IT applications directly over the internet rather than from local physical sources like hard drives or on-site servers. Computers have revolutionized every aspect of the business world. All businesses are dependent on computer technology, not merely to function at maximum efficiency, but to operate at all. But our dependence on computers comes with a price. We are constrained by their limitations and vulnerable to their weaknesses. Servers can crash, databases can be hacked, and hardware rapidly grows obsolete. As our reliance on computers grows, companies have invested increasingly large sums of money on inside computer infrastructures to handle their needs. These infrastructures cost money to design, install, support, operate, and most especially to maintain. Because hardware is subject to obsolescence and entropy, infrastructure is a continuous expense which will only increase over time. As hackers grow more and more sophisticated, threats to the security of information and the integrity of systems are constant. And because so many different aspects of computing are involved in a single business, the potential for breakdown is multiplied. The cloud directly addresses the problems posed by physical hardware. It not only frees an organization from installing, designing, supporting, and maintaining its own computer infrastructure, it provides data security and infinitely scalable computing resources. Infinitely scalable meaning as much as you need. Cloud allows for an anywhere, anytime, anything approach, combining mobile devices, personal computers, app servers, code, and databases into a single, easily accessible resource. It streamlines operations, increases efficiency and ease of use, and may even reduce expense. Our technological landscape is changing. Industry 4.0 technologies are an industrial evolution that will help companies prioritize long-term business goals over low-risk short-term returns and succeed in today's smart manufacturing environment. Reach out to the Michigan...
So we saw how cloud computing is helping organizations here. Let's look at another video and see how AWS, that Amazon Cloud Services, helping manufacturing organizations.
Manufacturers are constantly challenged by customer requirements for more personalized products and shorter life cycles, and by the ever-present pressure to improve operational efficiency and reduce costs. Industry 4.0 addresses these challenges, but the digital transformation to an intelligent, connected plant or product requires connecting a wide variety of equipment, devices, and systems, and processing, analyzing, and sharing data throughout the organization to drive business value. Amazon Web Services can help by providing a secure, scalable, and flexible cloud with the largest suite of services and on-demand capabilities and unmatched security to protect your intellectual property. Our relentless pace of innovation will keep you at the forefront of technology, while our microservices-based serverless computing architecture and pay-as-you-go pricing will help lower your IT and operational costs. With our strong partner ecosystem of leading independent software vendors, AWS helps enable your digital transformation at every phase of the value chain. In the initial product and production design phases, AWS allows you to solve complex design and engineering simulations in the cloud, scaling to much larger numbers of parallel tasks, and accelerating your pace of innovation and time to results. Next, whether connecting factory equipment on the plant floor or deploying connected products in the field, AWS's IoT provides low-cost, secure cloud connectivity, data ingestion, device management, and analytics to any connected device. And AWS's edge computing brings local processing, including machine learning inferencing, to the plant floor, providing devices the ability to gather data, take intelligent actions, and securely communicate with each other, even when there is no internet connectivity, and allowing manufacturers to efficiently run manufacturing execution systems in the cloud. AWS data lakes allow you to seamlessly bring together any type of data, from internal and external applications, then use AWS analytics and machine learning tools to perform advanced real-time analytics and build predictive applications without complex, expensive infrastructure. Use these insights to create a single operations view dashboard across different businesses to visualize data in real time and immediately take the appropriate action to resolve issues, minimizing disruption. With AWS, you can create smart, connected products and services and drive operational efficiencies throughout your business. From smart factories that provide plant operators with insights to improve process orchestration, identify out-of-tolerance conditions, and gain visibility into manufacturing performance to continually improve plant operations and product quality, to smart products that use data collected from the field, combined with production and service history, environmental factors, and other metrics for predictive maintenance and quality to ensure service-level agreement delivery, to modernizing your supply chain, allowing rapid response to changing demand by providing real-time and predictive insights that help manage your suppliers, logistics, transportation, and warehousing. No matter what your application, AWS provides the tools, support, security, and partner relationships that empower your digital transformation. Set up an AWS account to get started today.
So we saw here how AWS is helping organizations set up a cloud storage system. And this is a key enabler without which I don't think any organization can work without it. So let's summarize the benefits of cloud computing. It reduces the cost Moving to cloud computing may reduce the cost of managing and maintaining your IT system. You need less of manpower, you need less of AC and the power equipment. But the costs are added to it when you buy services from the cloud computing service. But in the longer run, it really benefits you. You don't need an expertise to really see how the data is getting stored there. It helps you with scalability, like you can scale from a small to a big, and sometimes you want to bring down your scales. That is also possible. It establishes the business continuity. You don't have to really, in case there are failures, the cloud computing services are redundant, have redundant databases, data backup. They help you recover your data. It helps you collaborate in a proper manner. You can build a lot of applications around this cloud storages. It helps you bring flexibility of work practices. You get updated with the latest apps there from the backend. You don't have to really worry about buying a new software, new app, or new hardware to really work on the cloud computing here. So what are the applications of cloud computing? Cloud computing helps businesses in all industries adapt to today's rapidly changing technology. So you see, when you use cloud computing platforms, you get to the latest ones. And when you combine this cloud computing with artificial intelligence automation into the industry, cloud computing is a way of businesses to really change with times without losing data. So you build around the AI and the machine learning and the automation part around these cloud platforms. Some of them already have it, and some of them you have to use other third-party applications for that. The fourth industrial revolution will be driven by the integration of resources and new technology. The cloud yields results for success in business while driving business to the technological frontier. So we see how the cloud has been become a part of every industry today, whether you talk about manufacturing to any government to any business processes. Cloud storage, cloud computing really helps you in managing your data services, and you build applications around that. Thank you.